The Will County Probate Court, an overview. Hi, I'm Darren Findling of the Probate Pro, and I'm going to walk you through the ins and outs of the Will County Probate Court. Let's get right at it. The Will County Probate Court is located at 14 West Jefferson Street in Joliet, Illinois. As you can see from the photo here, it's a prominent building, easy to identify, actually pretty unique architecture, plenty of parking around the building. As you can also see from the map, it's centrally located. With any courthouse, please give yourself plenty of time to leave your house, drive to the courthouse, find a parking space, make your way into the building, go through security, and then take a deep breath. We recognize that probate-related issues are often really stress-induced and filled with emotion, so give yourself plenty of time to make your way through the courtroom. The Will County Probate Court is, of course, a secured facility. With all secured facilities, most people understand what they're allowed to bring in or not. There are some items that you may just not realize. For example, those body odor sprays or breath sprays, those aerosol cans, are prohibited, as well as alcohol or really any outside food. In addition, things that could be flammable, that could be in your purse or in your pocket, like a match or a lighter, are prohibited items, as well as devices that can record, like a mobile device that has recording capabilities. So leave those behind. It's really frustrating when you park your car, enter into the court, go through security, only to learn that you forgot something on your keychain, like a little Swiss Army knife or a nail file that may be a prohibited item. At the Will County Probate Court, of course, it handles probate and trust-related issues. These include deceased probate estates and trusts and guardianship-related issues. The Will County Probate Court is really fortunate to have an experienced judge serving on behalf of the community. Judge J. Jeffrey Allen is the probate judge assigned to the docket. The Will County Probate Court has a really robust and extensive website. The website can be found at willcountycourts.com, a really easy to remember URL. I've identified it up top. In addition, it allows for lots of really valuable information, so you don't have to drive down to the courthouse to go access it. For example, as I've highlighted here, you can find court forms, law library resources, as well as look up case information. Let's look through this website. Here you'll see that by clicking that probate button, it gives you some really great practical information about the frequently asked questions relating to probate. Some of those commonly asked questions are identified here in this FAQ section. Here, I've identified how you can get to a case access. If you remember from the earlier slide, one of the buttons asked for a case search or give you a prompt with an icon for a case search. It redirects you to this particular page. It's a little bit annoying that you have to hit the start button, but when you get to that start button, you can type in an individual's name. Here I've typed in John Doe. By doing so, it gives you additional case docket information, as well as the ability to understand case hearings, meaning dates and times, as well as additional information that you otherwise would have had to have gone down to the probate court to access. So some really practical information. In addition, the probate button here redirects you to some really good information about the probate filings that are generally filed at the probate court. So for example, a deceased probate estate, there's a packet, as well as for guardianships for an adult or for a minor. These court forms then expand and give you all the individualized court forms. Now the nice thing about this is that you can print or review those court forms, fill them out, and gather all the information that you may need before filing. Often, when you print these forms, you realize you may not know somebody's social security number or address, and this gives you time to prepare well in advance of filing with the probate court. At the Will County Probate Court, the filing fees are also reflected there. Here you'll see the filing fees for a guardianship as well as for a deceased estate. Now, to really understand the full extent of the filing fees and any legal fees, you should contact your probate attorney or the probate court, because These are just the petition filing fees, the fees to get the matter rolling. If you're going to hire an attorney, there are going to be legal expenses, and we do recommend that when proceeding through probate that you always are represented by a competent, skilled probate lawyer. The Will County Probate Court, as well as the state of Illinois, maintain accurate records of the filings that occur in each year. The last year that the state of Illinois published their statistical information was 2018. The Will County Probate Court opened up 1,134 new files and 27 were reinstated. 1,036 were disposed of, and at the end of the year, 4,254 files actually remained within the system. So what can we learn from this? We can learn that the probate court is a busy courthouse. You're one of many files that may be proceeding through the court. So we recommend that you come prepared, hopefully with an attorney that can guide you through this complicated system. The state identifies that about 15.5% or 13,683 of the pending cases within the probate court represent the total civil docket. So a very, very full, busy court system. At the Probate Pro, we're passionate about probate and trust related issues. If you have questions about probate and trust issues, the Will County Probate Court, or any question at all, visit us at theprobatepro.com or contact us at the number 833-PROBATE.